Hey YouTube people, this is Mega Minecraft Launch 1, coming to you with another tutorial, this time how to install single player command mod for 1.8.1. Now, I know that Minecraft, that they updated Minecraft out of 1.8.1, they put it into Minecraft non-beta. Anyway, I just went to my app data a different way than what I did in my last video. I have this folder app data here. In order to get that to show, you gotta go to organize, go to folder and search option, click on view, and then click on it'll be put on don't show hidden files and folders for drivers. You want to click show hidden folders or hidden files, folders, and drivers. And click apply, and then click OK. And then you click on that, and then go directly to your and go to Minecraft. Or if you don't want to do that, you just go back here, type send data sent, and then you can open it through there. But anyway, I'm doing it this way. So go to your bin, Minecraft, drag that to the side, open your single player command mod. The link will be put in the description. Now here's what you want to click this, or no, you want to click this, hold shift, and click these three, or these other two, and move them in. Make sure it says add new place file, okay? Then just under everything under the text document, just highlight and move in. Okay. You want to make sure you have your meta. You want to make sure you delete your meta int. Okay. Then you can close that. Go back to here. Just move that to the side if you want. Take this world edit .jar and move it to your bin folder. And close everything. Back into Minecraft. No, I don't want to update it. I actually I had to reset my Minecraft.jar because my Minecraft kept crashing on me. I don't know why. And so that filled the terrain. There we go. Single player command. Now basically you do everything like you could normally do. Let me just do this achievement. Yeah, achievement get. You type P and press P. Go / fly. Hold spacebar, you can fly up. Oh, I love doing this. So you press mob damage. It turns off mob damage. Then what I do is I like going to spawn list and spawn list. How is spawn list? I don't know. Spawn list. Type in spawn list and you get a list of every type of animal in the game. So you got zombie, giant. If you've ever seen a giant before, I don't know if you have, but this is so much fun to do. Just with single player command mods, type spawn giant, and it spawns a giant zombie. It's so cool. It can't even see you unless you're like right there. Another command is KIL is kill all. And it kills everything. What other commands is there? Oh yeah, there's let's see, what are the commands is there? I'm not really sure on all the commands, but I'll put a link in the description going to the Minecraft forums page for this. And, then they have a list of commands. So let me just, you don't have to put /. I mean, that's only like server. You can just type in fly, turns off fly. Another command is, fall damage. The fall damage is now off, so if I would hop onto here, then crazy run off, usually take damage, but I didn't. Another one is water damage. Basically, you can go underwater and you never lose any air. So it's kind of like, if you have SDK's gun mod, it's kind of like the scuba tank. Except you don't have to make it or use PMI to get it, you just type it. Here, we'll put some lava. No, and then you can type fire damage. Put the lava there. You can definitely a nice lava bath or lava pool or something, and you never die. You can see, because I am on fire. You can't see, but I am on fire actually. And I'm probably gonna have to end the video soon, but that's basically what single player command mod is. Give steak, eat some delicious food. But anyway, that's it. So see you next video.